In this video, I'll show you how to use voice design in ElevenLabs. First, open ElevenLabs and sign into your account. Navigate to the voice area and find the voice design feature if it's available to you. Voice design lets you describe the type of voice you want to create. Instead of starting with an existing voice, you can provide characteristics that describe your ideal voice. Think about the voice you need before writing your prompt. You can describe the approximate age, gender, accent, tone, personality, speaking style, and overall character. Now enter your description into the voice design interface. Be specific about the qualities you want. For example, you could describe a warm, confident, professional narrator with a clear and friendly delivery. Generate the available voice options and listen to the results. Compare the voices and decide which one is closest to your requirements. If you want something different, modify your description and generate another option. You may need a few attempts to find the right style. Once you have a voice you like, save or add it to your voice library if the available interface provides that option. Then use the voice with text-to-speech to generate your actual narration. And that's how you can use voice design in ElevenLabs to create a voice based on your own description.